This is how to create the latest premium courier shipping tracking website. So we are going to create it together. As you can see, this site is premium. So this site, you can change the color, you can change the logo, you can change everything, you can change the write-up. So I'll be taking you guys through how the website works. As you can see, this is where you track. This is the contact us section. So you put the address, email, and phone number. So this is the admin dashboard. This is the owner's dashboard. In case you want to make any shipment, this is the section. As you can see, we have total 0 shipment. So this is the place you manage your shipment. This is the place you create new shipments. This is the place you receive deposits. And this is the place you send emails to users. This is the place you add manager. And this is the website settings. And this is where you add payment gateway. You can choose Bitcoin, PayPal, bank, automatic payment, or manual payment. So this is where you add your payment API, such as PayPal, Paystack, Flutterwave, and the rest. As you can see, this site is a premium website. It has so many features. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to this settings. You can see this is where you put your name, the website title, the URL, the office, the installation type, the year started, the logo, and the favicon. So we'll be using a DHL logo. For example, let's just use this particular logo on the website. Let's upload. As you can see, we just uploaded that DHL website. Let's refresh the website. You can see we now have our new logo. So you can also decide to change the color to red just to suit the logo. Okay, next step, let's create a. This is where you add your contact email. This is where you select currency. You can select dollar, euro, or you have over 200 currency on the website. This is where you set up your email sending service. Okay, so let's start. Let's create a shipment. Let's create a new shipment. So we use a sender name. Let's use a random name, The Rock. Sender email, therock@richboytech.com. So I'm just showing you how it works. So the address of the sender, put it, then the origin location, then the receiver name, let's say John Cena, receiver email, receiver phone number, and destination and address. So we're just using The Rock as the sender and John Cena as the receiver. So let's put the receiver address, Newcastle, United Kingdom. So for this tutorial, we are sending from United States to London. So you can select the quantity, you can select the weight of the parcel or package. So you can select the flight type, and here you can select the item. Let's just choose the random photo, and here you can select the payment, who's going to pay for the fee. So here the description of the package. Let's put expensive portrait painting. So if cost information is where you set up the payments, how much you want the client to pay. So shipping costs 2,000, clearance. Let's change the shipping cost to 5,000. Clearance, let's put 1,000. As you can see, when I'm changing the shipping cost and clearance cost, the total cost is changing along with it. You can see it's changing along with it. So the next step, put the date of the shipment, the date and time, then expected delivery date, put the date, put the year. So shipment, let's say pending, shipment status pending. So payment unpaid, delivery percentage, let's put 20%. Okay, let's put 20%. So we just created the shipment. So let's copy this tracking number and go to the website and check it. You can see order confirm. So let's copy this particular tracking number. Let's copy the tracking number, go to the website. Okay, as you can see, look at the email. We just received an email that our order has been confirmed. This website sends email automatically to the user. You don't need to send it, it sends it automatically. You can see premium looking email. So you can now track the user or client can track the item through the email. So copy the tracking number, go to the website, impute it, click on track shipment. You can see our tracking details, order confirm. You can see the sender information, receiver information, shipping details, and the rest. You can see order confirm. As you can see, the green is the destination, while the yellow is the origin. So you can see open the map. You can open the map. So this is the photo we imputed, the random photo. You can see it's premium. So let's add details to the shipment. Okay, as you can see, you can print out a Waybill. This is a Waybill receipt. You can print it out and give it to the client, and the client can also print out his own receipts from the tracking section. You see print receipts. A user can print out receipts. You can that save as PDF or print it out if you have your printer connected to your system. You see the payment method the payment is going to make. So I will show you how a user can make payments in a bit. So let's go back and add more updates to our shipment. Click on status. So click on new status. Now let's put it at picked by Courier. Current location Texas. Comment picked up by the Courier service. So you can decide to send email to the user or not. So let's send email. Click on update status. So I can see status will be updated. You can see from ordered confirmed to picked by Courier. So let's refresh our email. You can see the email just came up, picked by Courier. So the client will receive automatic email anytime there's movement on his or her parcel. So let's copy the tracking number again and track it to see the update on the tracking. Let's see the update on the tracking. You can see picked by Courier. You can see picked by Courier. So let's add another update. Click on update. Let's add on the way. Now you can put the location Los Angeles. Comments ask for delivery. Send email notification to customer. Click on update status. So let's check our email to check if we receive any email. You can say yes, receive email on the way. So let's copy the tracking number again and go back to the website to check the status of our shipment. As you can see, from the order confirmed to picked by Courier to on the way. So gradually it is going. So remember, this green option is the delivering point. So these are the details. Let's go back and add the status. Let's go back and add let's say custom hold. This is where you bill the user or client. You can put correct location Turkey, China, or Canada. Let's just use Canada. Can see package on hold, send email to customer. Click on update status. So the person that the owner of the parcel will receive an email that's custom hold. So this is where you will now bill or tell the user to make payments on the website. Let's copy the tracking number, put on the website. You can see from order confirmed to picked by Courier to on the way now custom hold. You can see custom hold at Canada is still showing current location Canada, but it's held by the custom. So here is the place a user can make clearance fee of 6,000. Once the user click on the site, it will direct the user to payment gateway. As you can see, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal, or USDT. Mind you, you can add payment. Let me show you how to add payment. Go to the admin settings, go to payment settings. As you can see, we have various type of payments. You can decide to off, delete, or add more. So you can decide to add bank transfer, minimum amount, impute the minimum amount, maximum amount, impute the charges, charge type if you want to be percentage or fixed, then type, account name, bank name, and the rest. So once you are done, you click on save method. So when you click on save method, the payment will be added automatically to the site. So let's go to the next step. Let's try and make payments. Like if you don't want to make payment, click on proceed to payment. You direct the user to the where you can get the QR code and the wallet address. So once the user make the payment, it can upload his or her payment proof and click on complete shipment payment. You can see your payment proof has been submitted successfully. So the next step, and if you can check payment deposit. You can see payment. So you can decide to approve or not. You can see the user email deposit successfully, submitted successfully, 6,000. You can see it is very easy. So once you receive the payment as the owner of the website, you can decide to update the shipment to delivered. Let's update the shipment to delivered. Click on update, delivered. Current location, that's the location, London. Package delivered. You can also send email to notification to the customer. Click on update status. So you see from order confirmed to pick by company to on the way to custom hold now deliver. So let's track it. You see package reading delivered. You can see the green means the yellow. That means the client has received the package successfully. So let's check our email. Yes. So this is the receipt. Let's check our email. Let's see your package has been delivered. So it is very simple. So this is where you add your setting. This is where you add your live chats, and this is where you change the color. We just change the color from blue to red. As you can see, this site is very customizable. I will show you how the mobile version look like in a bit. You can see you can change it to yellow, to anything. You can see how the red look like. You can see the payments. So you can, this is the how the version look like on mobile phone. You can see a responsive template. So let's track the same shipment using our phone. You can see how it look like. You can see the receiver and the sender details, the shipment history, the map, the parcel picture, and the details. You can update the clearance fee and shipping fee if you want to from the admin end, and you can add more payment gateway. You can see how it looks like on mobile phone, very futuristic. So then let's upload payment proof using the phone version. You can see your payment proof have been submitted successfully. So everything worked perfectly. So the next step, let's test out the live chat. As a user, let's email the live chat like hello. They will demand for your name. Let's use Rich Boy Tech. You can see the email just pop up. I want to track my shipping. Click on send. Then you go back to the live chat app. You can decide to accept the chat. Then you reply as a customer care. Make payment. So the user will see the make payment. You see customer care set payment. So if you need the script, I will leave a link below where you can get it. You can join our Telegram channel to get the script. So The next step is to teach you how to upload it on your cPanel or direct admin. So once you get the script, all you have to do is go to your direct admin or your cPanel, locate the domain, the particular domain you want to upload it, click on publish HTML. So for this video, let's give an example of shipping. We are going to add it to our website, shipping. So the next step is to click on the folder and upload the script. You can see the script, Rich Boy Tech latest shipping scripts. Click on upload. So once you are done uploading the script to your host, click on extract. Click on extract. You can see it extracting. So the next step is to connect it to our database. This is connect it to our database. So extract. Once you are done extracting, locate the database and download it. So let's download our database. Okay, this is where you connect your database. This is where you put your database name, password, and host name. So let's create a database. Go back to your direct admin or cPanel, locate database section. Then let's create a particular database for this website. Let's use the name Rich Boy Tech Shipping. Then for the username, Rich Boy Tech is in our password. So copy it, go back to your env on your cPanel or direct admin and paste the database name, database username, and database password. Once it's done, click on save file. So our file is saved. So the next step is to download the database and upload it on our PHP MyAdmin. As you can see, it's downloaded. So the next step, go to your PHP MyAdmin. So you locate the particular database we just created. Look at it, Rich Boy Tech Shipping. So click on import and import the database you downloaded. You can see, click on import. So we just imported the database. The site is now functioning. So if you need this website, I will leave a link below where you can get it. This is a premium website. So do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, comment below. Thank you.